Good morning, children. I am Julie, your maths teacher for this year. How are you? Hope all are fine. Okay, shall we give a revision from the first standard? Already you learned the numbers up to 500, isn't it? Today we will revise these numbers. Okay, shall we go? Numbers from 1 to 100. First, I will read. You just repeat with me. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Do you remember these numbers? Okay, shall we go to the next? Now, we can repeat the numbers all together. Okay, you read along with me. Okay, come on, start. 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, 140. Okay, 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, 146, 147, 148, 149, 150, 151, 152, 153, 154, 155, 156, 157, 158, 159, 160, 161, 162, 163, 164, 165, 166, 167, 168, 169, 170, 171, 172, 173, 174, 175, 176, 177, 178, 179, 180, 181, 182, 183, 184, 185, 186, 187, 188, 189, 190, 191, 192, 193, 194, 195, 196, 197, 198, 199, 200. Now, do you remember this? Yes, okay. Now, shall we go to the next? Numbers from 201 to 300. 201, 202, 203, 204, 205, 206, 207, 208, 209, 210, 211, 212, 213, 214, 215, 216, 217, 218, 219, 220. Yes. 221, 222, 223, 224, 225, 226, 227, 228, 229, 230, 231, 232, 233, 234, 235, 236, 237, 238, 239, 240, 241, 242, 243, 244, 245, 246, 247, 248, 249, 250, 251, 252, 253, 254, 255, 256, 257, 258, 259, 260, 261, 262, 263, 264, 265, 266, 267, 268, 269, 270, 271, 272, 273, 274, 275, 276, 277, 278, 279, 280, 281, 282, 283, 284, 285, 286, 287, 288, 289, 290, 291, 292, 293, 294, 295, 296, 297, 298, 299, 300. Okay, shall we go to the next? That is numbers from 301 to 400. Okay, repeat along with me. 301, 302, 303, 304, 305, 306, 307, 308, 309, 310, 311, 312, 313, 314, 315, 316, 317, 318, 319, 320. Okay, 321, 322, 323, 324, 325, 326, 327, 328, 329, 330. 331, 332, 333, 334, 335, 336, 337, 338, 339, 340. 341, 342, 343, 344, 345, 346, 347, 348, 349, 350. 351, 352, 353, 354, 355, 356, 357, 358, 359, 360. 361, 362, 363, 364, 365, 366, 367, 368, 369, 370. 371, 372, 373, 374, 375, 376, 377, 378, 379, 380. 381, 382, 383, 384, 385, 386, 387, 388, 389, 390. 391, 392, 393, 394, 395, 396, 397, 398, 399, 400. Okay, all these numbers you are remembering, isn't it? Okay, now next, numbers from 401 to 500. Okay, 401, 402, 403, 404, 405, 406, 407, 408, 409, 410. 411, 412, 413, 414, 415, 416, 417, 418, 419, 420. 421, 422, 423, 424, 425, 426, 427, 428, 429, 430. 431, 432, 433, 434, 435, 436, 437, 438, 439, 440. 441, 442, 443, 444, 445, 446, 447, 448, 449, 450. 451, 452, 453, 454, 455, 456, 457, 458, 459, 460. 461, 462, 463, 464, 465, 466, 467, 468, 469, 470. 471, 472, 473, 474, 475, 476, 477, 478, 479, 480, 481, 482, 483, 484, 485, 486, 487, 488, 489, 490, 491, 492, 493, 494, 495, 496, 497, 498, 499 and 500. Okay, up to this you have learned, isn't it, in the last class? Okay, now today we give a revise numbers from 1 to 500. Now you have an homework that you should write the numbers from 1 to 500 in your classwork. I have already give you here instructions. First one, take your CW, write today's date and write 1 to 100 in first page. Tomorrow you should write 101 to 200. Same way, each day you have to write 100 numbers in your CW with date and upload these notes on next Tuesday. I'll give you the time up to next Tuesday. Okay, and it should be very neat and each day you should write the date also. Clear, children? You should submit this on next